Welcome to my channel Step 2 Learn. Today we learn about different types of genders in English. Let's start. Types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine represents male noun and feminine represents female noun. For example, masculine is boy and its feminine is girl. Boy, girl. Masculine is father and its feminine is mother. Father, mother. Son, daughter. Masculine is son and feminine is daughter. Masculine is king and its feminine is queen. King, queen. Bridegroom is masculine and its feminine is bride. Masculine is grandfather and grandmother is its feminine. Masculine is brother and feminine is sister. Brother, sister. Uncle is masculine and its feminine is aunt. Prince is masculine and its feminine is princess. Nephew is masculine and niece is feminine. Waiter is masculine and waitress is its feminine. Animals too have masculine and feminine gender. For example, rooster. Hen. Rooster is masculine and its feminine is hen. Bull is masculine. Its feminine is cow. Lion is masculine and its feminine is lioness. Lion, lioness. Peacock is masculine and peahen is feminine. Now let us see the example of common gender. Common gender represent both male and female. For example, teacher. Teacher is a common gender. Doctor. Doctor is also a common gender. Student, it's also a common gender. Baby, parent. Baker, artist. All of these nouns are common genders. Now let us see the examples of neuter gender. Neuter gender represent nouns of non-living things. For example, neuter gender: ball, cup, table. Ice cream, clock, mobile. All of these nouns are neuter genders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.